Realme Airbuds Realme Buds Air Neo. This is it. We are going to do a latency test today. Don't skip until the end of the video. It helps a lot with the recommendation thing. But anyway, let's unbox it. Selamat malam. Good evening everyone, Kenneth here. Today we are going to be unboxing the Realme Buds Air Airbuds Buds Air Neo. So this is it. This is basically the same thing with the Realme. I keep saying earbuds, you know, like in the back of my head. Okay, I won't say it wrong anymore. The Realme Buds Air Neo. This is basically the same thing as the Buds Air, the more expensive brother to this, but it goes without wireless charging and it has micro USB instead of USB-C. The thing is, it still has the same driver, if I'm correct. It has the same chip. That's basically the most important between all Realme earbuds. Buds Q, Buds Air, Buds Air Neo. They all have the same R1 chip, which they claimed 119 or something, 120 millisecond latency basically on gaming mode here, which is basically the same as the Redmi Airdots S. So yeah, I'm really excited to test this one out. This is I think one of the bigger name brand. I haven't checked, you know, like the Galaxy Buds or something like that. So yeah, this is new and exciting for me. I haven't even checked like one of the Huawei offerings, Oppo as well. Anyway, what I got here is the white color. It has green color and red color as well. And you can see some features here, but I think we're just gonna go and skip right through that because those are boring, or actually, like, you know, you can see it in the website description. Okay, this is late, but that's not too expensive. I mean, it's just like, yeah, you open the box and it's like, yeah. Okay, so we have the Buds Air Neo here. Below that, we have it shows like the touch sensor area, how do you check the batteries, and how do you factory reset it. I hope you guys don't lose this, or else, you know, if you lose that, I would just like make a factory reset video again. So this is the micro USB. It's very short. That's what I want to say. 3 hours of music listening time, 1.5 hours of talk time, micro USB, 17 hours with the case in total. Nothing really interesting. I see. One thing that's interesting here is it supports Google Fast Pair. So if you have a phone that supports it, it will do it a la Airpods style. You know, you open the case, a pop-up will just show you to pair it or not to pair. But we are going to use it with an iPhone today. Sorry, I'm using this as my daily driver. I haven't got the chance to get an Android phone yet. So make sure to subscribe until that time comes. This is really small, by the way. I think it's smaller than the Xiaomi Air 2 compared to the AirPods, where you have the button on the back. Here you have the button right in the front. So to check the battery case, how much battery is inside, you just gotta open the case and this LED will light up. And this button is for pairing or for factory reset. Yeah, you can hold that button for 10 seconds for it to reset the whole thing. That's nice. If you want to force it to repair by itself, you're just gonna open the case and hold this button for 3 seconds, and after that it's just available to pair. So let's just pair it to my phone right now. Micro USB port on the bottom here. Yeah, it's very simple and straightforward package. It looks like AirPods, definitely, and also it has the quality of it, the snap here, and it doesn't wiggle around. The glossy feel of the case, it really does feel pretty good. So yeah, at least that's what you expect from something that costs as much as this, right? This, I think, competes with the One More and Sabbath X12 Ultra. Okay, so we can see from the writings on the top here, it's got 400 milliamp hour battery on this very small case. This case is super small. So yeah, 400 milliamp hour, not too shabby. It's connected, ready to go. Let's have a listen real quick here. I won't be reviewing too deep into the sound quality now. Make sure to say subscribe also for that. I will make a full review of it. But let's see. First impression is it's not loud. I'm listening indoors. There is nothing that is noisy around here. Sorry, my hair is getting longer again. and I'm listening at this kind of volume. So 80% indoors, not very good. If I increase it, okay, it gets loud. I think it gets loud enough for most people, but some of you might say this is not enough. And the sound actually is good, you know? Like, dang. Okay, I'm gonna compare this. I dig the sound here. It's decent. It's got the bass here. Compared to the Xiaomi Air 2, which lack bass, severely lack bass, but has good detail clarity there. Compared to also very cheap Plextone for Life, I think this sound wins. And this is a sound that I think is comparable to the in-ear earbuds. As I've said, on my usual half-in-ear earbuds, they don't sound anywhere near comparable to in-ear earbuds. Okay, one tap, double tap. Yeah, double tap, triple tap. Hold. What is hold for? What is hold for? Yeah, it seems like they don't have any volume control. It's just double tap and triple tap. Okay, anyway, let's go check out the latency test right now. And after that, I will just straight up end the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you have more questions about this. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Kenneth, and I will see you in the next one. Links are gonna be in the description. Would help me a lot if you can buy from those links. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Nice to meet you. Really appreciate it if you could subscribe. And if you have been on the channel, welcome back. It's good to see you again. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you are excited, because I am. And we're gonna start with the most important aspect, the sound quality. Let's just straight up say this sounds better than the Halo GT1, GT2, or GT1 Pro now. It's not as good as the GT1 Plus, it still sounds